Hello everyone, Yoshi128K here. It is Wednesday, October 4th, 2023, and it's about 10 past 1 p.m. Central. You may be wondering why I'm actually filming. What the heck am I filming? Well, I don't think you can you see the phone? Let me zoom out. Well, as you can see, in about 10 minutes, it's going to be a the 7th nationwide test of the emergency alert system and the 3rd test of the wireless emergency alerts, though the 2nd to target all cellular devices. So we're about almost 1:11. I'll probably stop filming here and come on, you stupid camera. Cooperate. Why will it not focus? Focus. Interestingly, the president's been watching all this. He was in court. He's left. Why won't it focus? At the drama unfolding in front of him. They've got the news on for no particular reason. He has looked in the gallery behind him. At one point, even saying, I have to shut off the word he says, talking about Bender and the volume in which he was speaking. I have turned off the screensaver temporarily so this doesn't get screwed up. I want to keep the clock on while the test is going on. It is now 1:15. I will now start filming continuously. It's proven to help you have more frequent and complete bowel movements. With a nice look at the TV. Belly pain, discomfort, and bloating. Do not give Linzess to children less than 2. It may harm them. Do not take Linzess if you have a bowel blockage. Get immediate help if you develop unusual or severe stomach pain, especially with bloody or black stools. The most common side effect is diarrhea. Sometimes TV and see what happens. Stop taking Linzess and call your doctor right away. These aren't all the side effects. Imagine what could relief from IBS-C mean for you. Talk to your doctor. The phone. Yes to Linzess. Learn how Appy and Ironwood. Nothing right now, but the test will begin in 5 minutes. Actually, 4 minutes in this case. Although there will be some slight delay, as there might be a delay for the EAS when the cable company overrides the signal. Now 1:16. We're firmly 4 minutes away. News for the generation of now is NBC News Now. Right now, another major strike is just beginning. This one impacting hospitals and medical offices nationwide. That's not very interesting. Let's change the channel. Let's surf the channel right before the friggin' EAS. Okay, that's no. What other channels are there? 10. That's a talk show. So really, this is the only, WNKY is the only actually airing news. So there's really not many other. Actually, well, there is, I guess, CNN. I know HLN would not. Oh. News. Never mind. We'll just point at the camera until something happens. Yeah, we'll point at the camera until something happens. Better pay and demanding more staff. We talked to some on the line about what their concerns are. I don't get paid enough to actually point my camera at a computer showing a clock. We are here because they have been dealing with short sacrifices caused by Kaiser executives for months, if not years. And Kaiser has not had the room, even though they've had the resources to fix it. Again, this is Kaiser Permanente employees on strike. Keeping in mind that there has been a high burnout rate in healthcare. We've talked about that for years now. Because of the pandemic, low staffing, and they believe low pay, they're demanding better pay and better staffing. And if this continues for some time, it could be quite disruptive. Already, Kaiser says hospitals and ERs are staying open, but some elective procedures are being canceled or delayed because of the impact of all of these folks who are very critical to the healthcare system. Guys, back to you. Yeah, Tom, you hit on the sticking points there. What does this all mean for the patients, though? Could patients outside of Kaiser Permanente be impacted by the strike? I don't think outside of Kaiser necessarily, other than you may get some people who normally go to Kaiser. No one make any political comments, please. Oh, phone's going. Oh. Phone's gone off.
This is a test of the national to maintain and improve alert, tribal and territorial levels and to evaluate the nation's public alert and warning capabilities. No action is required by the public.
Alright, shut up.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Alright. It is almost 1:19 p.m. and I can't focus, and my camera will not focus at all. I might have to stop the video. So it is just 1:19 p.m. and the wireless test message has just went out. In a few moments, I'm pretty sure the EAS will be activated.
I free millions of Americans from the crushing burden of student debt. It means they can go and get their lives in order.
The White House says it has canceled $127 billion in student debt during
Half past 1:19.
The late California
And a few more.
Feinstein is lying in state
The EAS portion of the test will begin. I'm certain it will begin shortly.
Mourners are paying their
We'll just
respects
point
with
at the TV until we'll just watch it go off.
Come by and say goodbye. Feinstein died last week in her Washington home after a series of illnesses. A memorial service will be held tomorrow outside City Hall. Well, coming up on NBC News Daily, it's a court hearing nearly 30 years in the making. The man accused of orchestrating the murder of rap legend Tupac faces a judge. What we're learning about the evidence.
So it is now 1:20.
NBC News Daily.
And we're about to see the.
When you're looking for answers,
Oh hey, a commercial. What fun.
because the right information at the right time may make all the difference.
So it is almost 30 seconds past 1:20.
When you're looking.
Oh, hey, it's going off. The cable will probably override in a moment.
This is a nationwide test of the Emergency Alert System, issued by the Federal Emergency Management Agency, covering the United States from 2:20 to 2:40 p.m. Eastern Time. This is only a test. No action is required by the public.
The cable override should take place in a moment. Editor here. Unfortunately, the cable system actually didn't go off, and the rest of this video actually was kind of unnecessary, so I've cut that out. Anyway, hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching. Goodbye!